When we made our announcement about 3 or 4 weeks ago, we made it very clear then, as we are today, that school boards in Ontario must be prepared for 3 circumstances given the variability that can take place over the coming weeks when it comes to public health and the ability of the province to continue to flatten the curve. A month ago, we made a judgment call that we need to be ready because that's the lesson learned from COVID-19. We need a plan to ensure the continuity of learning. The framework we unveiled, this government unveiled, will ensure that. And of course, the preference of the government continues to be everyday, day-to-day, conventional in-class delivery, meaning students in class each and every day with heightened health and safety protocols. But the prerequisite has to be safety. And I would believe that that is a consensus position, that if we can get to a point, working with public health, the command table, and Dr. Williams and the Minister of Health, that it can be done, the aim of the government is to do it. I understand fully that parents in this province want to know with clarity what September will look like. And our government's plan is to have a readiness, an operational readiness in our school boards to respond to the local circumstance as it arises. And based on the incredible work of the people of this province, we are moving in the right direction. And so, we're going to work very closely with the Chief Medical Officer of Health to provide further details on that conventional delivery model. We've got to continue to work with him. The data is moving in the right direction to get to the point that I can look to you and the parents of this province to say it is safe to do so, to send kids back to school each and every day. And that likewise applies to childcare as we look at efforts to improve and rather enhance the amount of capacity of children that could be within these centers. We know this is important to you. We're working around the clock to get this right. When it comes to our kids, we're going to do whatever it takes, as the Premier has said, to invest, to support, and to create a health protocol that gives confidence to the people of this province.